Go to the table and turn on the system by pressing the System On button on the control panel. This will switch on the camera and the projector. For sound recording, you must use only one of the following options: ceiling, head, hand, or chest microphone. Please ensure that the microphone is turned on. If using the head or chest microphone, ensure it is properly attached to you. The ceiling microphone is active when the red light appears both on the ceiling and on the control panel labeled Room Mic. You can verify the sound by checking the sound levels displayed on the edges of the LCD screen on the echo360 pod. The camera position can be adjusted by displaying the camera image on the projector using the cam button. By holding down the cam button on the remote control, the camera moves to the next preset position. Make sure you have selected BC as the input on the remote control. To record the screen, sign into the computer with UniID. The screen recording is saved automatically. It is possible to use the room sound system and camera to conduct a video conference with the desktop computer. Open the video conference software. If the camera or the microphone does not work, select the correct inputs in the video conference software. Connect your laptop with the HDMI cable and select laptop as the input on the remote control. If you want to use other video conference software, such as Microsoft Teams, on your laptop in addition to echo360, connect the laptop to the USB cable on the table and select Video Call USB from the control panel. To conduct the video conference, select the microphone and camera of the room in the video conference software. The pre-planned lecture starts and ends automatically. You do not need to start the recording manually. Send a request for a pre-planned lecture to loengosalvestuset@daltech.ee. However, pre-planned lecture can be paused and continued using the LCD screen on the table. The recording can also be extended by pressing Extend Capture and selecting the duration. The echo360 pod requires a firm press to activate any function. Also, the recording can be finished earlier using the LCD screen on the table. Echo360 recording can also be started manually in the classroom by pressing the record button on the touchscreen. To associate the recording with your user, write to loengosalvestuset@daltech.ee. At the end of the lecture, press System Off on the control panel and sign out of the desktop computer. Finally, turn off the microphone and place the head, hand, or chest microphone to charge. Make sure that red light appears on the microphone's charging port, which indicates the charging process. If the light is yellow, the microphone is not charging properly. If the red light does not appear, call the IT help desk.